If your forecast feels accurate right up until tomorrow morning, you're not alone. Most finance teams still fight silos, stale data, and spreadsheet chaos. In this video, I'll walk you through the 20 best FP&A tools for 2025 with a simple lens: what they're great at, who they're for, and which AI features actually save you time. Let's get you from busy to effective. Before we start, grab your notes. To find your best fit, rate each tool 1 to 5 on 5 things. Your top scores will be your pilot shortlist. How many key integrations does it offer? How easily can we build driver-based, multi-dimensional models and reports? How fast can we run what-ifs across financial statements and specific indicators? How developed are the AI features that meaningfully reduce time spent? Can we be live with real use cases in weeks, not months? Now let's get into the list. Drivetrain. Drivetrain is a platform designed to streamline planning, forecasting, and reporting by connecting all accounting and business data in one centralized place. The main advantage is its speed and robust modeling power. Drivetrain handles multidimensional models 10 times faster with full-blown modeling capabilities. Users can build complex multidimensional models by product, region, or segment using plain English formulas. This promotes agility and deep modeling capability. Forecasting and planning. It supports driver-based, statistical, and advanced AI-powered forecasting across revenue, cash flow, and pipeline. It enables continuous planning with real-time updates flowing directly into forecast and budget versus actual tracking. AI features. You get AI-powered forecasting and what-if analysis. The platform supports autonomous workflows and automated insight generation. Integration. Automation is high, with automated data collection from over 800 pre-built connectors. Drivetrain is highly scalable, suitable for companies from small to enterprise size. Cube. Cube is the answer if you want power without leaving your comfort zone. It's a spreadsheet-native platform that integrates directly with Excel and Google Sheets. The main advantage is that it centralizes financial and operational data into a single source of truth, leveraging a no-code platform while preserving familiar spreadsheet workflows. Integration and AI. It offers extensive connectors, unifying fragmented data. Its powerful AI analyst is fantastic for data hygiene, mapping raw data into clean, structured, dimensional formats. Modeling. It works natively in your spreadsheet environment, allowing for fast what-if and multiple scenario comparisons without complex model duplication. Analysis. It features automated variance detection, KPI tracking, and alerts that surface budget versus actual gaps down to the vendor or department level. Aleph. Aleph is an AI-native platform built to automate workflows with end-to-end intelligence while maintaining spreadsheet flexibility. The main advantage is its fully observable AI. This eliminates the risk of black box decisions, giving you transparency while automating busy work. Automation and integration. It boasts 150 plus no-code connectors that seamlessly sync ERP and CRM data in real time, eliminating the need for engineering support. AI features. The AI scan tool is a game changer. It automatically spots, investigates, and explains variances in seconds with data drill downs. You can deploy AI agents, analysts, and assistants for repetitive work. Modeling. You can build what-if scenarios on the fly in minutes without replicating models. Aleph is optimized for the small to mid-market, particularly high-growth startups and scale-ups. Abacum. Abacum is an AI-native FP&A platform, combining simplicity with enterprise-grade flexibility. The main advantage is its intelligent forecasting capabilities and robust data layer that handles messy data effectively. AI features. Abacum Intelligence creates intelligent forecasts and understands performance proactively. Built-in AI helps teams stay ahead, surfacing critical insights and providing variance explanations with drill-down detail. Modeling. It supports both top-down and bottom-up planning through forecast templates and approval requests with strong dimensional granularity. Integration. It offers 50+ integrations that aggregate and clean data, removing the pain of manual CSV handling. Abacum is best for mid-market to enterprise. Insightsoftware. Insightsoftware is a comprehensive provider for the Office of the CFO office, integrating FP&A with AI-powered analytics via Lineos AI. The main advantage is its unparalleled data connectivity. It links finance, accounting, and operations through an advanced data virtualization layer. Integration. It connects to over 200 environments, including all major ERP and modern data stacks, providing real-time data integration. AI features. Lineos. AI provides intelligent insights, helping finance professionals combine operational and financial data for faster, more granular planning. Reporting. It offers pre-built views for popular ERP with drill down to transactional detail, translating complex data into clear interactive reports. Insightsoftware is best for mid-market to enterprise. Farseer. Farseer is a financial and business planning software tailored for medium to large enterprises. The main advantage is its focus on profit and loss governance. It transforms finance teams into forward-focused strategic partners through real-time, collaborative financial planning and analysis. Modeling. It provides one governed model for P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow with multi-entity and multi-currency structures, effectively replacing fragmented Excel files. Forecasting. It offers rolling forecasts, driver-based planning, and automated demand forecasting. AI features. Farseer AI provides forecasting and finance support with full control and transparency. You can even get answers via WhatsApp for quick insights. Farseer is ideal for medium to large enterprises. Una Software. Una Software is a native AI platform for budgeting, planning, and forecasting. The main advantage is its speed and focus on revenue planning. It quickly connects planning data, integrating CRM, ERP, and operational data in days. AI features. It boasts AI-powered forecasting models and AI scenario modeling. The Una AI Finance Assistant acts as an on-demand co-pilot, enhancing productivity. Modeling. It uses dynamic models that adjust instantly to change and visualize ripple effects across revenue, costs, and outcomes. This allows for predictive, revenue-aware forecasts. Reporting. It features embedded BI right into the planning canvas for real-time progress monitoring. Una Software is best for high-growth teams. Datarails. Datarails is an AI-powered Excel-native financial planning and analysis platform designed to transform the CFO's office. The main advantage, which bears repeating, is its Excel-native modeling environment combined with AI governance. Teams keep using full Excel functionality, while Datarails handles consolidation and versioning in the background. AI features. Genius by Datarails is the complete generative AI assistant. It includes the powerful AI-powered variance explanations. Integration. It provides a comprehensive integration library that creates a clean, unified source of truth for AI and reporting. Results. Customer results highlight its effectiveness. 66% faster planning and 95% faster reporting. Datarails is suitable for small to enterprise. Planful. Planful is the AI-powered platform that streamlines financial processes with a specific emphasis on explainable AI. The main advantage is its ability to redefine financial intelligence by making AI transparent and actionable. AI features. Planful AI, including Analyst Assistant and Signals, speaks finance with explainable intelligence. Planful Predict uses ML-driven projections to reduce human bias and improve accuracy across budgets and forecasts. Scenario modeling. It features AI-supported scenario planning, allowing finance to model assumptions and test what-if cases with agility. Analysis. AI-powered signals provide continuous anomaly detection for real-time insights. Planful is best for medium to enterprise. Anaplan. Anaplan is the premier enterprise planning platform focused on connected planning. The main advantage is its ability to remove barriers between strategic, financial, and operational plans across the entire enterprise. Modeling, it enables enterprise-wide scenario planning and what-if analysis across demand, inventory, supply chain, workforce, and financial plans. The calculation engine, Polaris, ensures real-time model recalculation. Forecasting. Planning leverages statistical AI and ML techniques for continuous planning, significantly improving forecast accuracy. Integration. It connects data across ERP, financials, CRM, and other systems, feeding a central data hub as a single source of truth. Anaplan is the benchmark for enterprise scale. Board. Board is an enterprise planning platform that focuses on enabling continuous planning and unifying finance and operations. The main advantage is its use of AI-powered planner agents for self-service exploration and real-time decision-making. AI features. It employs advanced analytical and generative AI, alongside board foresight for dynamic scenario modeling. The AI-driven forecasts support continuous planning methodologies. Modeling. It provides advanced what-if and scenario modeling that includes the ability to make on-the-fly model changes, like adding new business units during planning cycles. Reporting. It offers real-time insights with embedded BI and detailed, dimension-rich plans. Board is strictly for enterprise. Jedox. Jedox is an adaptable, AI-driven FP&A and enterprise performance management software. The main advantage is its efficiency and speed. It reduces the planning cycle time by 66% by offering an Excel-like interface and strong no-code capabilities. AI features, Jedox AI and AI-assisted planning deliver AI-driven forecasting, pattern detection, and smart recommendations. Crucially, the AI outputs remain explainable for finance, which is vital for trust. Modeling. It supports rolling forecasts and real-time scenario planning across full financial statements, enabling rapid reaction to market changes. Integration. Seamless integration with existing ERP, CRM, and other business systems. Jedox is best for mid-market to enterprise. Prophix. Prophix is an AI-powered finance platform unifying planning, reporting, and close processes. The main advantage is that its AI agents are designed to execute tasks, not just assist, making it an all-in-one, finance-owned platform for mid-market complexity. AI features. Prophix 1. Intelligence features AI agents and Copilot that literally complete budgets, generate insights, and explain anomalies using transparent, explainable AI. Analysis. It provides AI-generated variance insights that clearly explain what happened, why, and what to do. Modeling. It focuses on driver-based models and structured planning with automated workflows. Prophix is strongly positioned for the mid-market. Runway. Runway is purpose-built financial planning and analysis for high-growth teams that need to turn complexity into conviction. The main advantage is the speed and conviction it provides. It simulates any business decision in seconds through real-time collaborative planning. Modeling. It uses pipeline-based revenue models tied directly to CRM data, including upsell, churn, and new bookings, and rolling forecasts that update automatically. Scenario modeling. It provides excellent scenario modeling. You can create and compare multiple scenarios without duplicating models with instant impact visibility. Integration. It offers over 750 integrations and flexible, structured models with human-readable formulas. Runway is perfect for small to mid-market high-growth companies. Vena. Vena is the #1 AI-powered complete FP&A platform built for Excel. The main advantage is its seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem and the flexibility it grants finance users. Modeling environment. You keep the full power of Excel-based templates for driver-based modeling and rolling forecasts, backed by Vena's in-memory engine. AI features. Vena Copilot uses AI agents to deliver instant insights and reporting directly within Microsoft Teams, enhancing productivity and collaboration. Vena is a highly scalable solution for small to enterprise users. Syft. Syft is financial reporting and analysis software with a focus on data consolidation and visualization. The main advantage is its speed of reporting and award-winning customer-centric support. Reporting, it generates reports in seconds and provides clean visualization and dashboards. AI features. The AI Insights tool would deliver context-aware, natural language explanations, trend detection, and smart recommendations directly within dashboards. Modeling. It supports scenario event analysis and what-if forecasting with instant impact visibility on core statements. Syft is best for small to medium businesses. XPNA. This is a cloud-based FP&A tool providing consolidated reporting and planning for Excel, Xero, and QuickBooks users. The main advantage is its focus on being a streamlined FP&A layer for SMBs, promising reports in seconds and budgets in minutes. Modeling. It uses Excel-based templates and imported accounting data for quick budgeting and forecasting. Analysis. It provides standard variance analysis and versioning capabilities. XPNA is best for small to medium businesses. Stratify. Stratify is a strategic FP&A software that delivers results quickly through driver-based planning. The main advantage is its rapid implementation. It delivers results in weeks, not months, and uses a plain English framework with no complex formula language to learn. Modeling. You can build what-if scenarios on the fly and see the impact in minutes. It supports highly customized plans that are easily changed. Integration. It seamlessly connects to a wide array of systems, including NetSuite, Workday, Sage Intacct, and leading HR or CRM platforms. Stratify is best for mid-market companies. NetSuite. NetSuite is the #1 AI cloud ERP, a comprehensive business management suite with planning and forecasting features. The main advantage is its native unification. It's an all-in-one platform where ERP, financials, and other modules are natively connected, creating a single, reliable source of truth. FP&A capabilities. The integrated NetSuite planning and budgeting modules provide workforce planning and driver-based models, leveraging live ERP actuals for accurate scenario planning. Analysis. It supports standard budget variance analysis and period-over-period variance reporting using built-in financial reports and customizable dashboards. NetSuite is best for mid-market to enterprise seeking a fully unified system. Pigment. Pigment is the agentic AI-native business planning platform at the forefront of innovation. The main advantage is its ability to analyze, model, and plan for anything using its advanced, specialized AI agents. Advanced AI features. Its agents, supervisor, analyst, planner, and modeler, are context-aware and trained on your data, enabling proactive analysis and endless scenario simulation. Modeling. It provides dynamic models with instant impact visibility and clear ripple effects across revenue, costs, and operations. Pigment is best for mid-market to enterprise. And that's it. The core message is undeniable. The future of financial planning and analysis is AI-driven execution and explanation. These tools are showing us that the finance function is finally moving beyond spreadsheets and into a strategic, automated reality. If you are ready to learn how you can use AI in finance, watch my next video or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.